आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे पार्ट 4 ऑफ इम्यूनोलॉजी एमसीक्यूज़। इससे पहले भी हम इम्यूनोलॉजी पर 3 वीडियोस बना चुके हैं। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखी तो उनका लिंक मैं इस वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा, आपने वहां से उन्हें भी देख लेना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 54, एंटीजेनिक प्रोसेसिंग एंड प्रेजेंटेशन आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर सेल मीडिएटेड इम्यूनिटी, ह्यूमोरल इम्यूनिटी, innate immunity, complement system. So correct answer is option A. Antigenic processing and presentation are required for cell mediated immunity. Question number 52. Major histocompatibility complex class 1 molecule are present on erythrocytes, T cells only, or all nucleated cells, B cells only. So correct answer is option C. Major histocompatibility class 1 molecules are present on all nucleated cells except red blood cells. Question number 53. The chaperone that initiates the binding of peptide to major histocompatibility class 1 molecule is integrin, connexin, tapasin, or fibrin. So correct answer is option C. Tapasin is a chaperone that initiates the binding of peptide to the major histocompatibility class 1 in endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 54. The antigen independent phase of B cell development occurs in lymph node, spleen, bone marrow, thymus. So correct answer is option C. The antigen independent phase of B cell development occurs within the bone marrow. Question number 55. CD4 plus cells are naive B cells, naive T cells, T helper cells, T cytotoxic cells. So correct answer is option C. CD4 plus cells are helper T cells. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 56. The primary role of cytokines is for apoptosis, necrosis, development, cell-to-cell communication. So correct answer is option D. Cytokines are messenger molecules and they help in cell-to-cell communication. Question number 57. Which of the following is largest immunoglobulin? IgG, IgM, IgA, IgD. So correct answer is option B. IgM is the largest immunoglobulin. Question number 58. The effect of one cytokine blocking the function of another is known as antagonism, pleiotropism, synergy, redundancy. So correct answer is option A. In antagonism, the effect of one cytokine is to block the function of another cytokine. Question number 59. The function of complement system does not include lysis, opsonization, antiviral antibodies, or immune clearance. So correct answer is option C. Complement system does not produce antiviral antibodies. Question number 60. The complement opsonization primarily enhances cell lysis, phagocytosis, immune clearances, agglutination. So correct answer is option B. Complement opsonization primarily enhances the phagocytosis process of antigen. Question number 61. IgG mediates type 1 hypersensitivity, type 2 hypersensitivity, type 3 hypersensitivity, type 4 hypersensitivity. So correct answer is option B. IgG and IgM mediates the type 2 hypersensitivity, that is the antibody producing hypersensitivity reaction. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। Question number 62. The most stable of all vaccine types are attenuated vaccines, inactivated vaccine, DNA vaccine, or subunit vaccine. So correct answer is option D. Subunit vaccines are the most stable type of vaccine. Question number 63. Histamine is stored in the granules of mast cells, dendritic cells, neutrophils, B cells. So correct answer is option A. Histamine is stored in the granules of mast cells in every body tissue. Question number 64. The varicella zoster vaccine is administered to prevent rubella or mumps or chicken pox or influenza. So correct answer is option C. The varicella zoster vaccine is used to prevent chicken pox disease. Question number 65. The major histocompatibility complex genes in case of mouse are located on chromosome number 6, on chromosome number 17, on chromosome number 14, on chromosome number 19. So correct answer is option B. The major histocompatibility complex genes in case of mouse are located on chromosome number 17, while in case of humans they are located on chromosome number 6.